Hey guys, what's going on? And you are watching the legit fidgeters. So the very first thing I want to say is, if you are a new viewer to my channel and have not subscribed, so do hit the subscribe button. So when I will post any video related to tech reviews, so you guys can easily get, and also ring the bell for notification of my new videos. So whenever I'm gonna will post any video, so you guys can get the notification of that video. So I'm back again with another video. So first of all, I'm gonna say you guys sorry that I could not post any video from past 1 month. I know that this is a long time that I could not post any video, but now I am back. Now I am going to post every week a new video for you guys. So in this video I am going to give you a review. First of all, as you can see over here is the trash, you can say parcel, and inside the parcel is a bulb, and the bulb is called a magic bulb, and this is not a simple bulb as you can see in your homes or office. This is not that kind of bulb. It is a special one bulb. So this is a 16 color change magic light bulb with a remote controller. Is it that good? So I'm excited for unboxing. So yeah, let's unbox it. Yeah. So over here is my unboxing knife, but this is not a box, so I'm gonna will cut the packing of this packet with this knife. So over here is the packet. Well, now over here are the paper regarding to shipping, no need of it. Now over here is the box, and inside the box is a bulb. Yes, so first of all I'm gonna cut its backing. Wow, it's very sharp. Now this time it was taking so time that I have to cut the video. Wow. So over here is the box. So over here is the remote. And over here is the bulb. And inside is nothing. So as you can see, the bulb, and over here is the remote, and this is called magic bulb. So wow, it is that cool. And this bulb, you have to plug this bulb with your lamps. You have to plug inside the lamp where you used to plug the bulb for light. So over here is the remote, and then you can easily change the color of the bulb with this remote. And now I have to bring the lamp, and I'm gonna plug inside the lamp. Then I'm gonna show you guys that what this magic bulb can do. So yes, come on. So guys, check this out. So what I have done over here, so I have plugged the bulb inside the lamp, as you can see, and the multicolor are coming over here. Now over here is the remote. Now I'm gonna do Now just controlling by remote. Wow. As you can see, the color are coming and the color are very cool. Wow, red, green, blue, wow, orange, dark green, purple. So as you can see over here, multicolor are coming. Basically this bulb is for your you can do in your, and you can plug in your parties and type of a disco bulb. It is called a magic bulb, but you can call it a disco bulb because it feels like a disco. Wow. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. So if you enjoyed the video, thumbs up and share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe because I need more subscriber. Yes, because I want to gain 1k subscriber, 1000 subscriber. So help me out. So do subscribe. Oh, and also tell me that how is my editing, that my editing is good or not. So because I do my editing on mobile. So see you guys in the next one. Till then,